Good morning, students. I am going to start exercise 11.1, in which first question is a square and a rectangular field with measurement as given in the figure have the same perimeter. Which field has a larger area? In this question, figure is given a square field and a rectangular field. A square field measurement is 60 meter and rectangular field length is 80 meter. If you want to find out the area of both figure, then area of square is side into side and area of rectangle is L into B. Then in rectangular field you find out breadth of the field. For this purpose, first of all you find out the perimeter of both field, means perimeter of square that is equal to perimeter of rectangular field. Then you find out the value of B of a rectangular field by putting value of length in perimeter, and then you find out the area of both field square and rectangular field. Then you compare which is larger and by how much. Clear? In this question, first of all, I want to make a figure that is this is the figure. In this question, here is given a square and rectangular field with measurement as given in the figure have the same perimeter. Both figure have same perimeter. And then you find which field has larger area. For this purpose, first of all, I want to find perimeter of a square, that is equal to 4 into side, that is 4 into 60 meter, that is 240 meter. According to question, perimeter of rectangular field is equal to perimeter of square field. This is equal to 240 meters. Then perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 bracket L plus B. This is equal to 240. Then L plus B is equal to 240 upon 2, that is 120. Then here value is here 80 meters, then you write here 80 plus B is equal to 120, then B is equal to 120 minus 80, that is equal to 40 meters. Then you get the breadth of the rectangular field, that is 40 meter, and length is 80 meter. Side of the square is 60 meter. Then you find out the area of both field, like area of square. Area of square field, area of a square field is equal to side into side, that is 60 into 60, 6 6 36, 3600 meter square. Area of rectangular field, area of a rectangular field, rectangular field is equal to L into B, that is 80 into 40. This is equal to 8 4 the 32, 32 00 meter square. This is the area of rectangle. Then you compare which area is greater, larger. This means you compare here 3600 meter square is greater than 3200 meter square. Therefore, area of square field is larger than area of rectangular field. This is your answer. Means area of square field is greater than, larger than area of rectangular field. Okay. Question number 2 of exercise 11.1. Here is figure is given. This is Mrs. Kaushik has a square plot with the measurement as shown in the figure. She wants to construct a house in the middle of the plot. A garden is developed around the house. Find the total cost of developing a garden around the house at the rate of rupees 55 per meter square. In this question, this is a square plot in which Kaushik wants to construct a house that's measurement is 20 meter by 50 meter, and around the house he wants to develop garden, and rate of the developing garden is 55 per meter square. Then find out the cost of the developing of garden around the house. Means first of all you find out the area of a square plot, then you find out the area of the house, then you find out the area of the garden by subtracting area of the house from the area of the square plot. Then you multiply area of the garden with 55 rupees 55. You get cost of the developing the garden around the house. Okay. Then first of all you find out area of the square plot, that is equal to side into side, that is 25 into 25 means 625 meter square. This is the area of a square plot. Then you find out area of the house, that is equal to L into B. L into B. This is rectangular text. So I use here area of rectangle, length into breadth. That is equal to 20 into 50. That is 300 meter square. Then area of the garden, area of the garden, that is equal to area of the square plot minus area of the house, that is equal to 625 minus 300 is equal to 325 meter square. Then cost of the developing garden around the house is equal to 325 into rate 55 rupees per meter square. That is equal to, you multiply here, 325 into 55, 325 into 55, 5 by the 25, 5 to the 10 and 2, 12, 1, 5 to the 15 and 1, 16, 5 by the 25, 2, 5 to the 10 and 2, 12, 2, 1, 5 to the 15 and 1, 16. That is 5, 7, 6 to 8, 6, 1, 7, 1, 17,875 rupees. It is your answer.